you what, doing this army cost was easy. This is just what I'm going to buy.
Welcome back to the Kieran Show, and this week we're talking about Space Marines once more. It's the Ultramarines. Anybody that's been a fan of this show for a few years were like, what the heck, you did this 3 years ago? We did.
You did it.
Yeah, I did. Did I smash it?
No.
No, probably not.
But they've got a whole range now.
Yeah, they actually have a fleshed out range, and it's great, which is disgusting. But yeah, great video.
Do you know what? It's even funnier. It's in the t-shirt you're wearing.
That's the only reason I'm wearing it. Courage and Honor, brothers.
Just notice me.
Notice me, senpai. Notice me. Yeah, Courage and Honor, brothers. This is a... I'm excited, because you did this. It better be good.
I'm a loyal son of Ultramar when I feel like it.
Strong. I'm loyal when I want to be.
So I've taken this one and I've given this an actual attempt, not like the one that you did.
I can't even remember what was in it.
So my attempt was infinitely better.
Because you had way better options.
Well, yeah.
There you go. Cool. Let's go.
Right, starting off strong. We don't have a Combat Patrol box to buy because you can't.
What do you mean?
It's limited.
What, the Ultramarines one?
Yep.
Oh, good, because it's terrible. It's real bad. So starting strong. So I'm expecting an expensive list.
It's not as bad as you think. So normally a Combat Patrol does save you a good chunk of money.
But in this instance...
In this instance, it's not so bad.
Fair. How are we starting then?
With Robo Girlyman.
Thumbs down.
So,
Terrible minute. He lets the whole range down.
You let the whole range down?
Probably.
340 points.
That's where the value... I was like, where the hell is the value? It's there.
£44.50.
Yeah, that's a lot.
I like it. Him.
Classic. Surprise to no one. Sure, fine.
You can't have an Ultramarines army without him in it.
You can and you should. What's next?
Calgar.
Washing machines live longer with Calgar.
And the armour of the anti-locusts. It's the one where the locusts can't get in.
What?
It's Calgar in the armour of anti-locust. Anticulus. It's Calgar and Terminator armour.
Comments down below.
140 points.
Yeah, nice. Oh, yeah.
£34 and 0p.
Would you put a different head on it?
No.
No.
I think seeing other people paint it, I've come more around to it. Okay. I don't really like the heavy metal version of it.
No, horrible. Sorry. Any talented painters that might watch, you don't watch this show, but I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Cool, fair.
Seeing what some other people have done with it,
yeah,
it's pretty good.
I get it.
Next up, it's the chef's kiss.
Oh, yeah.
There is no way you could have an Ultramarines army without him in it now.
Oh, I see.
Cato Sicarius.
I have a question. Like, obviously, great. We'll talk about figures and where he sits and whatever. He used to be the captain of the second company, right?
Yeah. That's now Titus. Well, no, Cato Sicarius got lost in the warp, and then it was then...
So has he come back?
Yeah, he's come out of the warp, and now he's in charge of the Victrix Guard.
So he's... Well, all of the Victrix Guard?
I believe so, yeah.
All right.
But, yeah,
so he came... Just so we're clear, when he came out of the warp, did he get promotion then? Is that a promotion?
I don't know if it's a promotion. I think it's just someone else was doing his job.
No. Sorry.
Well, it was Captain Akaran, wasn't it? And then he went on a mission where they could only give him 2 men and he died.
Yeah, it serves you right, loser. Yeah. Was it Charon that also died?
Yeah.
Well? That's sad. R.I.P. Poor
died a really noble death of a Games Workshop Warhammer community article.
Yeah, that was rubbish. At least make it into an Amazon show or something. Because I remember when I saw the new Ultramarines kit or whatever with Captain Titus, terrible model by the way, just saying.
It's not. Stop it.
With the guy that isn't Charon, I went, who the hell is that guy? I was just like, there's an imposter among us. I was like, who are you? And then just written off with words.
How good was that trailer then?
Oh, trailer was fire. Great time. I was like, Space Marine 3? No, just models I don't care about. Shame.
So, Cato Sicarius is 120 points and £29.50.
Yeah, fine. Whatever.
But
hold on. No, it's not whatever. Great mini, sorry.
I was going to say.
Full 180. Full 180.
was going to say, you were a loyal son of Ultramar for a while. We need some people for those people to lead.
Hell yeah, baby.
2 boxes. 6 Victrix Honor Guard.
I've seen lists recently. People running 18. It's disgusting.
Respect the drip.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
They're all 4 wounds.
4 wounds is absolutely diabolical. Diabolical. They went, who wants Ultramarines? Yeah, they're broken. Sweet, nice one.
Yeah, so got 2 boxes of these, 210 points for 6, and £77.
Okay.
18 is
Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
4 wounds with all those extra rules as well.
Yeah, barely making up more.
What's really cool with this though is you've got 6 of them and you can put Calgar and Cato in the blob together.
That's good. That's good.
Right.
Not that you'd need it if you're taking 18.
At that point, you're just running them as normal intercessors.
I mean, for the points and for what they can do, you'd be stupid not to.
Tell you what, you can definitely tell we're in the end of an edition where they're just vibing.
It's not vibing. They just went, let's make some money. It's not vibing. It looks great and it will be ridiculous on the tape. It's Dark Angels again. It's Dark Angels again.
Right. We need some beige in this Ultramarines army because they do like a bit of beige.
God,
it's a box of intercessors.
Oh, God.
160 points for 10, 40 quid. Holding objectives, doing around, doing stuff, doing the Ultramarines things.
How do we start so strong in that? No, we start with Girly Pops. No, continue.
These doing a bits.
They do. It's confirmed.
You could use some of the extra Victrix Honor Guard bits and, you know, pump these up.
Pimp them up. Yeah, nice.
Or you buy that shiny new Space Marine head box.
That head box. I was like, how have you said that?
Yeah, with all the heads. The shoe cleaners.
Sure.
I've got a couple of boxes of those later on, but there is the head box as well that you can buy.
The head box is pretty good.
Next up, we've got a box of Sternguard.
How many boxes?
Just the one.
Oh, right. Okay.
So 100 points for 5.
Okay.
40 quid as well.
Sure.
So.
There's got to be something else that's pretty tanky in this list.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay, that's fine. We'll get that.
They're like lukewarm, like when you're cooking super noodles, the water's just coming up to boil. We're about to put the noodles in.
Right. Okay. Sure.
Right. It's 2 boxes of Bladeguard.
Oh, there are the swords. Here we go. So we've got 12 things of swords, right? Great. There it is. We're back.
2 boxes of Bladeguard, 160 points and £76.
At this point, I'm looking at the Sternguard like, why are you here?
Because they're really good.
Fair. Come on then.
And they're really cool little minis. So yeah, some Bladeguard, you could potentially put some people in with these, but you've got some. My vision for this list is everything has a purpose. That's like the Ultramarines way, the like theoretical and practicals and all this other nonsense for courage and honor and whatever.
Courage and honor being nonsense to the loyal son of Ultramar. Good.
So you've got your brick of Victrix that go around with their commander. You've then got a brick of Bladeguard that go around and do their job in the whole like Ultramarines fluff.
Well, doesn't Gallipop have an aura as well?
Man drips aura.
So you've got this just ridiculous Death Star blob.
Yeah.
Okay, fair. Cries in damage 3. Boom, boom.
Right. Need some Terminators.
Sure. Okay.
1 squad of 5 Terminator Assault Marines.
This is so assault heavy. Okay. Yeah.
Only 1 box. I've gone with... So these don't have points yet because they're out on pre-order in like 3 days' time. So I've gone with the logic that there'll be 160 points, which is 10 points less than the normal Terminators, which seems to be the theme for when things have a melee version and a normal version.
Okay.
And they're probably going to, I'm assuming, are going to be the same price as the normal Terminators, because why wouldn't they be?
Yeah, that would be
£42.50. 160 points.
Okay.
And then after the small spoilies, we've got a normal squad of Terminators. So we've got 10 Terminators total.
What's going on in this list? How are you protecting anything? Or is Courage and Honor protecting them?
It's coming in a minute.
Right.
So we've got another squad of 5 Terminators with the assault cannon and all the other bits and pieces to do the tactical things. 170 points and £42.50 as well. So it's 10 Terminators.
Yeah.
Thick city. You then want some stuff to put them in.
Right. Okay.
2 Land Raiders.
2 Land Raiders. Oh, God. God. What variant is this, or just the basic one?
Oh, just the basic one in this list, but you could. I think a cool guy would run a Crusader with the 5-man assault Terminators and just hooning up the board. And then you've got maybe your Bladeguard and the Victrix in the other one.
I was going to say, because you'll need... The Terminators are just...
Oh, no,
Terminators are a weird vibe at that point, because you've got the...
Oh, Terminators... No, actually, to be fair, Terminators, you just deep strike.
Yeah, I think you'd be forced to.
I think if you ran the cool version of this, you build one of them as a Land Raider Crusader, you put Cato and the Victrix, all of that in there, and hoon up if the Bladeguard, if you can fit, I'm not sure on the fast math, the hoon up in the middle of the board, you've got a Land Raider Crusader with all these people pop out and they kill everyone.
So the centre...
is yours.
Sure. The centre channel of the board has got 2 Land Raiders with your Victrix and your Bladeguard and Cato and Calgar.
Yep. Gilliman's just running behind like, I can't fit!
That was it. It's just like, wait for me! Yeah. You've then got 5...
This isn't a list to run, this is just an army to collect.
Sure, that's why we do these. 5 Sternguard, which are just going to be shooting whoever they can. 10 Terminators who are going to be shooting who they can. 10 Intercessors to sit on objectives.
Yep. 2 squads of 5, probably.
Anybody else?
No, that's it.
All right, okay, cool.
2,000 points on the nose.
There it is. Who needs upgrades? Oh, actually, you can't because they're all named characters.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was done in mind.
So, 2,000 points on the nose, you've got Rabute Gilliman, you've got Calgar in his armour that prevents him being attacked by locusts, Cato Sicarius, 6 Victrix Honour Guard, 10 Intercessors, 5 Sternguard, 6 Bladeguard, 5 Terminator Assault Marines, 5 normal Terminators, and 2 Land Raiders.
It's a lot of blue. 12 swords. And...
Shing.
12 swords, 10 Terminators, 2 Land Raiders, Gilliman, Cato, and Calgar.
The only thing missing out of this list to potentially make it more Ultramarines is a Redemptor Dreadnought. So you could maybe swap.
This is your Tale of Two Loyalists list, isn't it? This is crazy work.
I already bought all this.
Oh, of course you did. There it is. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I believe it.
This was an easy armor class. Just put my basket into this.
It's a bonkers list. Absolutely bonkers.
What do you make of it? We'll go into the cost in a minute, but what do you make of it as an army to collect that you've collected, painted, and all of that, and like the theming and?
If there was a imagine Kieran building an Ultramarines list, this is it. As in, like, if I was to predict something, I think it'd probably be close to this.
You know what's really funny?
Go on.
Do you know the only bits on here that I'm missing?
What's that?
2 Land Raiders.
What do you mean?
Oh no, actually, I'm only missing 1 Land Raider.
Oh, as in that you don't have.
Yeah.
So you only have.
I already have a Rabute Gilliman that I could strip and repaint. I've already got Calgar in a box, Cato Victrix in a box. I've got some Intercessors that are painted as Ultramarines already. I could strip and redo.
I'll be honest. I'm amazed you're not already painting them.
I'm painting Emperor's Children.
Yeah, it's a.
Is that a card so I don't have to?
I mean, do what you want. Our first Tale of Two Heretics video was in March. We're now in mid-November.
I'll go Space Wolves, though. If you would just do the nice thing and let me write it off and just do what I want to do, we'll be fine. Right. How much do you reckon this costs?
I mean...
Oh, so for argument's sake, I've also added in 2 boxes of the Ultramarines upgrades in here. Mm-hmm. So you can put snazzy things on all the Land Raider doors and you've got all the extra heads and whatnot. And you've got codex and data cards. You're not buying these at the minute, but in future reference you might be. You can't currently buy the Space Marine data cards. You haven't been able to buy it for a while. How much do you reckon?
I reckon high 600s.
649. So low 600s.
Mid. No, that's mid.
Just
because it's a pound lower than mid doesn't
so
make it.
So it's not mid.
No, I deserve that. Yeah, so 650 quid is a lot considering you've got point sinks like Gilliman and 2 Land Raiders.
But what's interesting though is there's £44 of upgrade sprue in here. There's £38 worth of paper in here. And £25 worth of card in here, so
that's a lot. Yeah, if you
that's what I'm saying. Like it's a good amount of points.
If you love Ultramarines and hate trees, this is great for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
I thought this was the best I could come up with when I didn't have a combat patrol to help.
Yeah, I get that. Otherwise, you are looking sort of 700-800 quid.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is disgusting for a 40k army.
The value is the Land Raiders. 440 points.
2 of them. 2 Land Raiders.
1,057 hamburger tokens.
Yeah, that's a lot.
£846, 846 euros and 50 cents in Euro Disney,
Yeah.
and $1,754.50 in the Wombat Hellscape, where Gilliman definitely doesn't go because he doesn't want to get stuff on his shoe.
Scared of bugs.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. But yeah, no, I think it's fine.
I think I was really courageful and honourful when I made it.
Other things you don't care about.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
I should have worn my t-shirt of them.
You should, but you had your opportunity. I was told
I'll go change it when we do the video.
I was told it was an Ultramarines video, so here I am, dressing for the occasion. Me, of all people.
If only my Titus had... I could have put my bowl on!
Terrible. You've ruined the whole thing. We're not doing it again. One and done, baby. But yeah, I'm...
Do you like the list?
That question needs reformatting.
What would you change?
Do I like the vibe? Yes.
Yeah, it's not as we always say with these videos, it's not a list to run in a game, it's a army that you can have as a collection and play games with. It's not tailored to a list or a detachment. It's an Ultramarines army collection. The only thing I don't include in here is Tiggy.
Good. Honestly, good. Yeah.
Oh, and Euro Ventress, but you can't buy them anyway.
Yeah, to be honest, I didn't think the mini was all that anyway, to be honest. I think I am actually quite excited. I hate myself. I'm excited to see what the rules are for Calgar and his cronies. No, Calgar.
Titus.
Nice. I was like, you're on my chest. Yeah, Titus and his cronies. I think there's lots of like weird vibes with that one.
I don't like the peoples in the box. I'm not painting them.
Yeah, you don't like that. You don't like peoples.
You can have them for your Imperial Agents army.
Great.
But then essentially all I've got is Titus and some Bladeguard.
They're cool though. Oh, one of them is cool. The other one is, who are you? Hey, you're not Brother Charon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so that's probably the last Space Marine army cost video. Oh, no.
No, we've got two more. We've got two more.
They're both yours.
They are, yeah.
Iron Hands and White Scars.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, those will be really fun. Expect Salamander's levels of nonsense for those.
Swear to God, if you put Whirlwinds in either of them, I'm not releasing the video.
No, I did it once. I can't do it again. I'll save that for my personal army.
Yeah, please like and subscribe and leave us a comment down there. What do you make of this list? Would you run this list? Do you hate it? Does it not fit the Ultramar theme? If that's what you think, then...
Is it plenty of courage, not so much honour?
Was it too much honour and not enough courage? Are they all just behind terrain like, no?
It's so zesty. No, please. If you'd like to buy some Ultramarines of your own, please be sure to click the links down below.
I forgot the dice!
Oh. Well, I think, no. If you'd like to buy some Ultramarines of your own, click the links down below. That'd be great. And if you'd like to join the Legions of Ultramar, on the left-hand side of the screen, be sure to touch hands. Be sure to join the Cult of Kieran. You immediately followed. Oh, that's great.
Purell!
Yeah, come and join our Discord. Come and join our monthly giveaways on our live streams. They're always terrible. They derail immediately. I'm not selling it, but that's the point.
You get stuff as a member.
Yes.
Occasionally.
And
Minis we don't want anymore.
And a Discord community that absolutely hates us. So that's exactly what you want.
Yeah, but the memes are quality.
Join for the memes. Sweet, sweet memes. But yeah, anything else?
Courage and honour.
You just got a land ready to buy, yeah?
Only the one. I've already got one in a box.
There we go. Peace and love. Goodbye.